snuck up on me. Well, you made it just in time, because today is the review about the hellborn 5-inch freestyle Revenant from Rising Sun FPV. Oh yeah, what a great place they've designed this 3D printed TPU products all over it. We've got spiky bits out on the arm to protect the good old arms from damage. We've got 3D mounted camera casing to protect the camera. We've even got an antenna 3D printed mount at the back. There's also plenty of room for that Vtx of yours that you love so much, and plenty of room to space out the build in the middle. We've also got on this one some lovely neon lights down the bottom here that fit perfect. So all up, what an amazing drone. 5mm arms, top plate, bottom plate, nice thickness, oh yeah! And we've also got a bit of a write-up I'll read to you. From the depths of the pits of hell, the Revenant was birthed, able to morph from its larva size of 3 inches, then into adulthood of 8 inches. Despite its size, the Revenant hunts much larger prey with excellent lethality using its 4 razor-sharp claws, demonic vision, and with the aid of the Satan horn, which communicates with Lucifer himself. On the 8th day of hell, Lucifer created the Revenant Freestyler. It had to be subjected to a massive amount of torture to create a large platform to carry more weapons and utilities to hunt. Rising Sun FPV have poured their heart and soul into this weapon of a frame, and we hope you enjoy it as much as they have. The frame was designed by Rising Sun FPV. The Revenant frame was produced by CNC Madness in Canada. The 3D printed parts have been designed by local artist Causa.
You know he speaks the truth. I was born to rip and tear. We've spoken about this before. So let's get on with it.
And then we've got the lovely little bits of information, the techie stuff, alright? 132 grams with hardware, multiple TPU codes, 5mm carbon arms, machine carbon plate to prevent arm wiggle. Roll cage to protect the camera, allows for 20x20 or 30x30 stacks. Stack clearance of 23.5mm, up to 55 plus degrees of tilt. SMA connector hole on the top plate. 16x16, 19x19 motor mounting patterns, 19mm camera spacing, 3mm top and bottom plate, unique Satan horn. You can fly with that TPU on or off, it won't be a problem. So these are just some of the few characteristics of the good old 5-inch FS Revenant. So it's time. That's right, it's time to grab them goggles. Grab that radio, kick back in the chair, because I'm going to show you how it rips, how it tears, how it shreds. So let's get down to the park. Let's see how it goes. All righty then. Well. a test flight of the Hellspawn 5-inch Revenant from Rising Sun FPV. How'd it fly? Amazing. It was outstanding. If you wanted a drone that can go faster than the speed of light, it's for you. If you want a drone that's louder than any jet plane, it's for you. If you want a drone that can flip and spin and go upside down and do anything that you want, it's for you. All on the top of the range. This is a magnificent machine. It is designed beautifully. It flies outstanding. I love it. I will take it for evening walks. I will take it for morning walks. I will take it to the cinemas to watch them good old movies. It's my new best friend, and I love it. Rising Sun, outstanding job. 3 thumbs up, or we better make that 2 thumbs up and a toe. Outstanding work. Everyone needs to get out there and buy themselves a 5-inch Revenant. You need it. You want it. You love it. Until next review. Bye for now.